squash and zucchini.
Use yellow squash.
Yeah, you can do what's in season. That will add to it. And your pets might want to eat it too, because it tastes yummy, or you've given them some zucchini before and they really liked it.
So is zucchini healthy for dogs?
I'm not sure. I do know that it's raisins and
I don't know. I know like chocolate's not good for them and ham's not good. Pork in general is not good. I was just curious if zucchini was bad for them. Like the meat's probably okay for them, but
no, I think any vegetables are pretty good for them.
Zucchini's pretty bland, I think. So.
Yeah, it doesn't have any, like, I think it's the acidity that dogs don't like. Like, I've given her an apple before and that hasn't worked well with her. And what time is it?
2.
smelling good. It does smell good. Do we get to taste it?
Okay, now you can see that it has changed in color. And then you can just double check with a fork.
To see if this is going to be a sauce.
If it's tender. And see, it's easy to make a puncture. So now, I'm just going to add the cheese. Just sprinkle however much you want. It can be shredded or it can be sliced.
What do you find works better, shredded or sliced?
I like the shredded.
Does it make it stringy?
No, because it'll melt all together. So you just reduce the heat. Cover it. For about a minute. Won't take long. You can double check.
That looks pretty easy.
It is.
It smells really good. Like I know you said that, but it still does.
What else would you serve with it? Like, would you just serve it by itself, or what do you think?
I was talking about side dishes that you could probably put with it, and it could be anywhere from green beans to asparagus. This is just because this has vegetables, it has beef, it has your milk and dairy, so you can add anything. I would probably even add like rice if you want to for your grains.
Brown rice does sound good with it.
Doesn't that sound good with it?
It'll make it go further too.
Okay, now it's done because it's all melted and ready to serve.